Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. I'm looking a little rough. Just ignore the hair. I am like the week before you get your hair done. It's just, you can't deal with it anymore, and that's where I'm at. So I have so many grays. It's greasy, it's gross. And I'm rocking it because that's all I have energy for. Anyway, I am at Walmart. And we have not done a Walmart, like what's new home decor edition for a few months. So I thought we could do that today. A little life update. This is the Saturday, July 6th, after the 4th of July. And I still feel like I'm like on a 4th of July hangover. But also, my son wrecked his truck the beginning of June, which thankfully he's okay, but we are in the car buying process, and I haven't done this in so long, and I literally feel like that's what we did today. We went around and test drove a bunch of cars because I'm not exactly sure exactly what I want. I wasn't planning on buying a new car anytime soon. However, we have to. So that's where I'm at. And I'm just exhausted from that, and I don't know what to do. I don't know what to buy. I don't know. We test drove several different cars. I'm looking for maybe like a mid-size SUV-ish. I don't know. I've been driving a car, so I think I'd be okay with a car too. I just don't know. And if you're if you're not asleep in the United States at this time, you know that cars are completely ridiculously priced. Interest rates are crazy. Not a prime time to buy a car. But when you have no other choice, what do? Like, I'm in a rental car and I have to give it back on Monday. And so I'm like totally stressing. We will have a car to drive, but that will just mean one less car with all these kids. It's going to be a nightmare. I mean, we'll survive, but anyway, that's the life update for me right now. Let's go into Walmart. I should tell you that before we go in, I am looking for a few specific things that I have seen out in the interwebs in the last few weeks. Specifically, a couple rugs that I'm looking for, maybe like a runner type rug I've seen, and some new laundry things. So let's go see if they have those. I'm crossing my fingers that they do. Okay, these are color changing cups. Those are so cute. They have this one too. I don't need those, but what I turned my camera on to show you were these, because look at how pretty these melamine bowls and plates and cups are. And these plastic, like if you're entertaining outside, those are darling, like really cute. Also, those are fun. Like a little serving dish. So many cute things. I'm loving blue right now. All right, now we're kind of in like the home decor spot, which is kind of what I wanted to look at. And they have really cute, that's a cute picture frame, but you know, I love a scallop. You should see the new scalloped bowl that I got at Hobby Lobby recently. It's so stinking cute. But I have a set of these similar. Those are pretty. This is really cute for $12.99. That looks a lot more expensive than $12.99. What else? These are really cute. It's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm really wanting to get a new rug for outside, on my front porch, and then in my hallway. Oh, those are cute too. Oh, if you're like into anthro, there's an anthropology lamp dupe. That is really cute, and it's only $40. This is pretty too. I love dried florals. We're trying to like create a wall like that in my daughter's room. We have not been successful in that yet. Anyway, let's look at these mirrors. They always have good mirrors here. There's this big one. Hello. I look scary it doesn't, it's okay though. Okay, so here are the rugs. This is what we're here to look at. I'm not seeing what I saw online, which is unfortunate. Ugh, I hate, my Walmart is kind of lame. Oh, maybe that's it right there. That's pretty. I'm looking for a 3x5 rug for my front entryway, and I swear it's nearly impossible to find that size. Okay, I found the rugs that I was looking for. Remember, I've showed you this one before. It's so cute. I love that one. I also love this one right here. That's pretty. That one's kind of cute. But I think the one that I was looking for is this one. Look at how cute that is. Let's put that out here. Yes. She's cute. And she is only $20. This is a 27 by 45. There's also this one. That's cute too. It's kind of like a blue. And that one's only $10. They have two different sizes of that one. But I love that one. Okay, another thing I wanted to check out while I was here were these towels, because I really love everything from the Drew Barrymore line, and I just thought these were like a fun like pattern. They're not bad. I would buy them if I didn't just buy new towels at Costco, but mostly I was looking for a rug, and I really need like a light gray one, not a dark gray one, but they're great too. I'm in needs of rugs in several different places in my house right now. But look at how cute these ones are. Those ones are really cute. I love that mustard color. Something else that I'm loving is this wicker with the lined laundry basket. I think that is really cute. They also have like a bigger tall one. I don't think it's supposed to be in this metal thing, but that's really cute and pretty, and can't beat that price, right? For a laundry basket. Especially, I mean, it's huge. I don't know if you can tell how big it is from the camera, and it's not like real wicker, because it's like a plasticky wicker, which I think is more durable, but love that. This is the other thing I came here for. They unfortunately do not have exactly what I'm looking for, but I am definitely getting this. I have this one already at home. It comes in two different sizes for $13.88. Mine actually is blue writing. Mine is older. But look at this. This is a magnetic lint bin. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get this, and I'm going to, if you saw one of my my video that I redid my laundry room, you may remember these things, but I think that this is fun. Totally random, but I've talked about these on lots of my videos. I didn't know Walmart sold them, so if you need one of those insect things that I use in my kitchen so that I can turn on the lamp and not have bugs everywhere, you can get them at Walmart. Kind of random, but this cast iron heart, like really cute pink skillet, is so cute. And I'm also loving this cast iron Dutch oven. I already have one, but not that size. I'm gonna put this on my wish list because I really like the size of that one. I don't usually like follow TikTok like viral videos, but this one has gotten me. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's this girl. She was saying she'd stayed in an Airbnb, and the bedding and the towels and stuff smelled so good that she like went through their laundry thing and found what they were using. And they were using this Gain in the Moonlight Breeze, the Downy Unstoppables in the Ocean Mist, and the dryer sheets. And then the Downy, like there's another thing, but Walmart doesn't have it. So I'm gonna go to another store and look for it. But if you are on TikTok and you know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments below. But I also had to get a few grocery things. If you haven't tried these, they are to die for. So anyway, I am gonna get the lint thing and this canister, and I just went online and ordered the other sizes of these because they have 3 different sizes. They're so cute. There was home decor on the other side of that, another aisle that I missed, and I wanted to show you guys because I think this is so cute, and so are these. This is like a marble X, very heavy. Love the two-tone of that. I don't know, these are like becoming super popular, and this green color is really pretty, but I don't know, I just am finding like I think they're pretty, but just not in my house because I don't do modern decor. But I feel like that is like the trend now, and I'm just having a hard time finding things that work for me because my house is just not very modern at all. I think this is really cute to put on a coffee table. Walmart does have a really good selection of pillows. I love this one and this one, and I love a good plaid, and I believe that they all have a zipper, which, you know, I love. Okay, I take that back. They do have a zipper, so that's even better when they have zippers because you can wash them and then you can change out the inserts like I like to do. Love this one. This one's only $11.94. And this gray one is really cute as well. This one's kind of fun. I wish it was like maybe like blues, and then it would be right up my alley. Speaking of blue, this is kind of like a chambray blue. It's so pretty. It's kind of like a linen, but look at this one. These two paired together. That's really pretty, especially for like maybe fall time. Those are so cute. And both have a zipper. But you know what? This, oh, see, I don't know about that. I like it when they have an actual insert, not when they have that. But I guess, I don't know. I think that they're both $16, which isn't bad. This one's probably like 18 by 18, maybe 20 by 20. And this one is significantly smaller, so. But those are cute. Speaking of blue, I really love this chambray one. It's kind of like a linen. It's got a raw thing. It's got a nice big zipper. That is so cute. But I also found this pillow. I love the texture. I love the pattern. Like, it's very subtle. It's got that same blue with a little bit of green in it. Also has a zipper. However, this one is just filled with poly, and I don't love that about that, but yeah, this one has an insert. But I also loved this one paired with like those two together. That's kind of cute, right? I think so. I also really love the green with them. That one's really cute, and they just feel so soft. All right, I did some more digging in the pillow section, and I found this like cream one. Look at the texture on that, and these little palm tassels. This is a perfect one for the fall. So cute. Okay, what do we think of this little trio? I think it's a darling. We're gonna take it home and see what we think about it. Okay, it is now dark outside. I don't even know. Let me see what time it is. It is, I was in there way longer than I anticipated, but there were so many cute things. I'm so glad I found those pillows. I have been looking for pillows for a long time. I've been going to Home Goods and Target, And I'm, like I said in there, everything is like so modern and it just does not vibe with me. And so finding those pillows was a win. So you'll have to come back. I will do a haul video once the 2 things that I ordered can come in, so you can see how cute they are. But anything I can link, I will link in the description box below, so check those out. And I hope you guys are having a great summer, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.